Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. The question posed in this video is whether or not work authorization can be granted on a visitor visa, on a tourist visa here in Thailand. And long story short, for those who are unaware, Thailand has a pretty strict regime when it comes to the issue of foreign work authorization here in the kingdom. What am I talking about? Well, foreigners are not allowed to they don't have the de facto right to work in Thailand. You've got to go ahead and get work authorization as a foreigner if you want to work here in the kingdom, if you want to undertake employment. Question posed is, can this be done under a visitor visa? Well, strictly speaking, no. That said, it may be possible under certain circumstances to convert one's status to a business visa here in Thailand and then use that business visa as a platform for maintaining work authorization. Now, I do know that there are some new visas that have recently come about. We've seen the so-called long-term resident visa, which actually isn't a residence visa, but it's sort of a long stay visa. They've claimed that that has work authorization. Now, they've claimed that certain of the LTR visas have work authorization attached to them. I've failed to see where that is the case. That said, I think what they're talking about can be better expressed through what's currently being called the Destination Thailand visa, wherein that allows folks to come in for 180 days at a stretch, but it does not, strictly speaking, allow work authorization. That said, it does allow an exemption from work permit requirements for those who are working remotely for a company. And I've gotten into that in more detail in other videos, but long story short, that may also be an option for those who are looking to come to Thailand to work if they're not working in Thailand. That's the big point to take away from that type of visa. That said, we're still kind of in the early days with the Destination Thailand visa, so a little bit of prudence is probably in order as we sort of see that type of visa roll out. But long story short, no, it is not possible to maintain work authorization directly on a visitor visa. One does need to go ahead and convert to or leave the country, obtain some other type of visa in order to then allow that visa to act as a platform for work authorization here in the Kingdom of Thailand.